Are you thinking of saying goodbye to keto, but terrified of the weight creeping back? You're not alone. In this video, I'm going to reveal the secret to stopping keto without gaining weight. Yeah, you heard that right. I'm about to spill the beans on how you can smoothly transition out of the keto lifestyle while still maintaining your hard-earned progress. As a nutritionist who's lost weight on keto and has transitioned off of it, I've guided countless working moms through this transition, helping them keep the weight off for good. I'm going to reveal the secret to stopping keto without gaining weight, why this method is better than keto, how to integrate this, the mindset shift that you need to make to be successful with this, and how to have long-term success. In the end, I'll give you a cheat sheet that you can use to implement this method right away. So what's the secret? I'm just gonna get right into it. It's carb cycling. But before you leave the video, it needs to be done strategically and the right way. Carb cycling in its essence is an elegantly simple but yet profoundly effective concept. It involves alternating between days of higher carbohydrate intake and days of lower carbohydrate intake. This rhythmic dietary dance mirrors the body's natural energy needs, supporting intense workouts with energy-rich days and allowing for recovery and fat burning on lower carb days. But why does this approach work so well, especially for those transitioning from keto? Firstly, carb cycling addresses one of the main challenges encountered in the long-term application of keto, a plateau in weight loss. By reintroducing carbohydrates in a controlled manner, your body is nudged out of the metabolic complacency it may have settled into. This reactivation of your metabolism can kickstart weight loss again, much like shifting gears during a climb to maintain momentum. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology observed that strategic variations in carbohydrate intake could optimize performance and body composition, underscoring the effectiveness of carb cycling in managing weight. Carb cycling offers a more sustainable and flexible dietary approach, particularly appealing after the rigidity of keto. It acknowledges and accommodates the ebb and flow of real life, from social events and family gatherings to the natural fluctuations in energy and appetite that we all experience. This adaptability makes it a more realistic and maintainable lifestyle choice, providing a pathway to not just reach, but to live at your healthiest weight. Another compelling aspect of carb cycling is its positive impact on hormones and metabolic health. Alternating carb intake can help manage insulin levels, improving insulin sensitivity over time. For women transitioning from keto, this can mean a smoother metabolic adjustment to the reintroduction of carbs, mitigating the risk of weight gain and supporting continued fat loss. The nuanced management of carbohydrate intake helps maintain the balance between enjoying the benefits of ketosis on low-carb days while harnessing the energy and metabolic advantages of glycogen replenishment on higher carb days. Carb cycling presents itself not just an alternative, but as an evolution of the ketogenic diet, especially for those looking to blend the rigorous demands of career, family, and personal health into a cohesive lifestyle. Its foundation rests on the principle of adaptability, tailoring your carbohydrate intake to the rhythm of your daily life, your workout intensity, and even the natural fluctuations of your body's metabolic needs. This adaptability transformed carb cycling from a mere dietary strategy into a sustainable way of eating that respects and responds to the dynamic nature of daily life. The true magic of carb cycling lies in its versatility. It harmonizes with the body's innate cycles, providing fuel when it's needed most. On those days filled with high-intensity workouts, demanding physical tasks, or simply when your energy levels need a boost. Conversely, it scales back on carbs during quieter, more restful periods, allowing the body to burn fat and recover. This ebb and flow approach ensures that your diet works for you, not against you, making it an invaluable tool for anyone juggling the myriad responsibilities of modern life. A study published in the Nutrition and Metabolism Journal underscores the efficacy of this flexible approach. Researchers found that athletes who vary their carbohydrate intake, consuming more on high activity days and less on the rest days, not only improve their performance, but also enhance their body composition by reducing body fat and increasing muscle mass. This evidence highlights carb cycling ability to adapt to individual energy needs, optimizing both performance and weight management. A stark contrast to the one-size-fits-all approach of traditional keto. For the busy career-driven mom, carb cycling offers a breath of fresh air. It acknowledges the complexity of balancing work deadlines, soccer practices, and personal health goals, providing a pragmatic solution that fits real life. Keto, with its strict macronutrient ratios, can sometimes feel like a straitjacket, limiting and prescriptive. In contrast, carb cycling feels like a tailored dress, custom fitted, comfortable, and designed to accommodate your body's unique needs. Carb cycling's flexibility extends beyond physical benefits, offering psychological relief from the dietary burnout that can accompany long-term adherence to restrictive eating patterns like keto. It allows for moments of indulgence, birthday cakes, holiday meals, and spontaneous treats without derailing your overall health objectives. This balance between discipline and indulgence is crucial for long-term adherence, making healthy eating a joy rather than a chore. Transitioning from a keto diet to incorporating carbohydrates requires a thoughtful and strategic approach. It's not about diving headfirst into a carb-laden feast, but about selectively introducing carbs that enhance your health without derailing your progress. The focus should be on fiber-rich, nutrient-dense carbohydrates that provide sustained energy without the rapid spikes in blood sugar. Foods like starchier vegetables, fruits, and legumes are not just sources of carbs, they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fibers that play a crucial role in overall wellness. Timing is key in this reintroduction process. Consuming these beneficial carbs around physical activities, such as before a workout for energy or afterwards for recovery, maximizes their utility. This method turns carbohydrate from feared enemies in the keto world to valuable tools that support your body's needs. Proper timing ensures that carbs are used as fuel rather than being stored, aligning with your body's natural rhythms and energy requirements. This careful, measured reintroduction fosters a positive relationship with food, where carbohydrates are seen as part of a balanced, nutritious diet. By integrating carbs in this mindful manner, you honor your body's needs, supporting your active lifestyle, and maintaining the weight management successes achieved through keto, smoothly transitioning to a more flexible and sustainable eating pattern. Transitioning from a ketogenic lifestyle to carb cycling requires more than just a change in dietary habits. It necessitates a profound shift in mindset. The keto diet, with its clear-cut rules on what constitutes good and bad foods, often leads to a polarized view of nutrition. While effective for some, this binary perspective can create unnecessary guilt and stress around food choices, potentially leading to a disordered relationship with eating. Carb cycling introduces a more flexible, nuanced approach. It's about moving away from categorizing foods as strictly off limits or permissible and towards a broader understanding of nutrition as a dynamic spectrum. This perspective encourages seeing foods not just through the lens of carb content, but in terms of the overall nutritional value that they bring to your table. It recognizes that the same food can play different roles in your diet depending on context, fueling a strenuous workout, providing comfort on a stressful day, or offering a moment of pleasure at a celebration. This mindset shift is pivotal. It transforms the way that you interact with food from a source of potential guilt to a tool for nourishing your body and supporting your lifestyle. By adopting this more holistic approach, you allow for a diet that's not just nutrient-rich, but also varied and enjoyable, promoting a sustainable, balanced way of eating that can support not only your physical health, but your mental and emotional well-being too. Achieving long-term success with carb cycling transcends the conventional view of it merely as a diet. It's about adopting it as a comprehensive lifestyle change. This approach requires a harmonious relationship with food, where intuitive eating becomes second nature, and dietary choices are made by tuning into your body's unique needs and responses. It's a journey of discovering the delicate balance between nourishment and pleasure, fueling your body without feeling restricted, and recognizing that flexibility can coexist with discipline. Carb cycling's true allure lies in its practicality and adaptability, allowing for a nutritional plan that evolves with you. Whether you're ramping up on your fitness routine, navigating life's stressors, or celebrating life's milestones, carb cycling offers the framework to support these shifts, making it a sustainable practice rather than a temporary fix. This adaptability ensures that your achievements in weight management are not fleeting victories, but lasting transformations. To facilitate this journey and provide a roadmap to effectively integrate carb cycling into your lifestyle, I've created the Carb Cycling Cheat Sheet. This cheat sheet is designed to demystify the process, offering step-by-step instructions on how to implement carb cycling for optimal results. Available for download in the description below, this cheat sheet empowers you with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate carb cycling successfully, making the transition smoother and more effective. Embracing carb cycling as a lifestyle is about more than just weight management. It's about cultivating a deeper understanding of your body's needs and learning to meet them in a way that promotes overall well-being. With the Carb Cycling Cheat Sheet in hand, you're equipped to embark on this journey with confidence, ensuring that your path towards long-term health and weight management is both enjoyable and sustainable. Have you tried transitioning from keto back to carbs? What was your experience? Drop your story in the comments below. I'd love to know. Now, if you're ready to transition from keto and master the art of carb cycling, then the Carb Cycling Cheat Sheet is for you. Go ahead and download it now to start implementing carb cycling with confidence and precision. Now, if you've already stopped keto and are gaining weight like crazy, watch my next video where I reveal the causes and solutions. I'll see you there.